Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TUSK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and volume well above average. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support. Then we can talk levels of resistance. The main level of support and what makes this chart pretty interesting is that it seems to have bottomed out. Now I say seems to because remember there's no such thing in trading as a guarantee, but right here around 555 you can see on a couple different instances the bears try to press down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of holding strong. And like I said, that implies that maybe this is some sort of bottom. Now don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy, just because yeah, the price got absolutely hammered right here and now has all of a sudden started to go sideways. Does not mean that this is for sure the bottom and that a bounce is coming. Now would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all, but myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that a bounce is for sure going to occur, because again, there's just no such thing as a for sure in the market. And that is why risk management and risk control and discipline is so important, because even though something like this looks really good from a risk versus reward perspective, you still got to honor the fact that yeah, this very well could just be a little pause before resuming to the downside, but it's at least logical. What do I mean by that? Well, let's just say that let's do this. Let's say that at this point in time when the chart looked like that, I was saying, hey, it's looking like the bottom is in. You would very rightly say, what are you talking about? That doesn't make any sense. Why would you say that the bottom is in? It's just been going straight down. But now, at least with the price going sideways, it makes sense to at least question it. It's a rational thought. Again, not a guarantee, but at least it makes sense given the context of things. So if this is some sort of bottom and the price continues to the upside, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. First area of resistance to keep an eye on, going to be right up there at, we'll call that $6.30. Next key level of resistance after 630, right up there at $6.85. And if the price gets some closes up above 685, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But overall, interesting setup going forward. Maybe some sort of bottom has finally been formed. But yeah, definitely got beat down today. But stocks like this can certainly have some good snapback bounces. So let's see if the bulls can put something in store for Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.